Let me introduce you to Owen Hodge, who's our head of product. He'll talk to you about how you onboard onto the system.
Okay, so you're a small company, you've come to AnyWaste, this is how you set yourselves up. So if you go to .anywaste.com, you'll see some information about our product and importantly, the different tiers that we have available. So if you choose the one that's right for you and click sign up. Once you do that, you will be presented with a screen where you can set your email address or your authentication method. So you can use your Google account, your Microsoft account, or set your own email address and password. Once you do that, you'll be sent an automatic email with a link to follow. So if you follow that link, that then helps you complete your sign up. Once you've done that, you're logged into the system. The first step then, once you're in the system, is to enter your organization details. So that's just your organization address or your site address, your recycler registration number, your local authority. And all that information you can come back and edit at any time, but importantly that's what's used to help pre-populate your duty of care documents later. So now once you're registered on the system, you can start to create your consignments. So creating consignments is super straightforward. On your consignments dashboard, you see the big button that says create consignment, and we need to enter some information about the top level information about what is in that consignment and the producer. So for the inbound consignment, it's where the waste has come from. Now once you've used the system for a little while, the system will remember your customer information or the producers and the recyclers and the carriers that you use. So that helps with pre-filling a whole bunch of information on the form. So you should hopefully see this as a massive time saver as well as making you digitally compliant. That's that consignment created. So that's now created in a draft status. And now we need to assign waste descriptions to it and enter the waste transfer information. So if I view that consignment here, and I'll add waste description. Now again, because we're receiving loads from this customer many times, it's pre-filled the waste description for me as well, based on the last consignment we received from this customer. So if you're getting a lot of the repeat loads from the same sort of customers, this is perfect, it pre-fills it for you. We might tweak the quantities, we might tweak the container type, but again, I'm not having to enter data into every single field on this form. Create my waste description, and then next we assign the waste transfer details. So that's going to be, again, you can see a lot of this form has been pre-populated, so I'll now put in the collection date and the planned delivery date. So this can be entered by anyone on the system. So it could be me as the recycler, or if your carrier is on the system, you'll be both sharing this same consignment record, this same digital record, so it'll be the carrier who's entering the things like the collection dates and which vehicle and the driver's name. So now as you can see, because we've got a non-hazardous EWC code being used, it's just suggesting we need a standard waste transfer note. I can click on that here, and here it is. Here's our waste transfer note, ready to go.